Okay, so lesson number 18, and we're going to do the left-handed clocks and add it to the right hand. So last time we looked at the right hand, and now we're going to play left hand in two different ways. I'm going to give you two options, depending on sort of what difficulty you want. We're going to start by adding just one note in, and then we're going to add the whole chord in, which is down here, which we'll talk about in a minute. So we've got G, D. Don't worry about the M for now, because that's about the chord. So G, D, D, and C. So with the GDB, we're playing a G. With the FTA, we're playing a D. And that happens again. We know that bar 2 and bar 3 happen twice. And then with ECG, we're going to play a C. So in just the left hand, it looks like this. So thumb on G. And then probably 5 on a 4 on a D, and then finally a 5 on the C. So we've got. So probably best to get used to just playing that one note as you play the first bar of clocks. And then we're going to move down to the D to do the FDA. And we're going to play it again. And then finally down to a C. Here we go again. So remember, we're doing one G and two Ds and then one C at the end there. And once you've mastered that, you can have a go at playing a chord in the left hand, and that's something we sort of started to do a little bit when we did the We Are the Champions. But we're going to do 3 notes in the left hand now. And the way that works is for G, the G major chord is GDB or GBD, and we're going to play it in that order actually. Then D minor is DFA, and then C is CEG. So we've got G is GBD, C is CEG, and D minor is DFA. So in the left hand, back at the keyboard, it looks like this. GDB, we're going to play with 5, 3, and 1. So essentially, fingers 4 and 2 are not being used here. So it should look like that. But obviously your fingers couldn't be out. And then we're going to go DFA. Again. And then CEG. So your hand position, hand shape, doesn't change much. We're just going to go up and down the keyboard. So theoretically, you could play lots of different chords like that and not change your hand shape. We're going to do the one. So the main thing really is that you've got a play a note, miss a note, play a note, miss a note, play a note. So we've got these 2 notes here that aren't being used. And if we use our little finger to guide us, because it's on the G here, we know we've got to go to a D next, like we did with the bass line just a second ago, which can make sure that the little finger is on the D, and the other one should fall into place if you keep the same hand shape. So, the chords with the right hand sounds and looks like this. One more time. Now, as you get used to that, you can try and play it a little bit faster, because in the original song, it's a bit like this. But it's really important you don't run before you can walk. So really make sure that that's all secure at a slower speed before you get a little bit faster. Good luck, and I'll see you for the next one.